Hello, welcome back to another episode of Jen Eden speaking on anything and everything, life, food, and sometimes business. And so today, in this beautiful January, I would love to talk to you about these winter blues. Yeah, they are absolutely a real thing. So if that is you, just know I've got you today. I hope what I'm about to share is going to bring you major insight. And always before I share, I giggle because it's just so fun doing this. So thank you for being here. I really do enjoy sharing my wisdom with you. And if you're not already a subscriber, let's go. Today is your day. All right, so get this. Winter blues. Jen, like what gives? I feel a little crazy. I feel down. I tend to put on weight. I'm not happy and chipper. And I really would like that to change. And so what I'm going to say before I share, because I'm not a huge supplement fan, but I am talking about winter blues. But I always want to say, check with your doctor. Yes, check with your doctor before you do anything that I recommend. And for myself, personally, I self-diagnose myself because that's how I ride. But for you, please feel free to check with your doctor. But I want to say that it is very prevalent that we are low in the vitamin D, D as in David, okay? And that absolutely can affect our mood. So if you are not feeling great and feeling low, go get your vitamin D levels checked. I take a dropper. I get a high quality from my company store. I don't know the brand name, so you can look around, but you'll talk to your doctor. But I do a couple of droplets. It might be like 3,000 or 4,000 IUDs. Again, you'll check with your doctor, but that always seems to work because we don't get enough sunlight. Okay, if you're living where the days get shorter before they get longer, we don't get a lot of sunlight the way we do in the summer months. And so our vitamin D levels are low and it affects how we feel. So that's number one, vitamin D. Number two, I tend to take a vitamin B complex. I love Pure brand. Okay, that is a brand I love, very clean. You may take something or know of something that you like. Again, check with your doctor, but I take a vitamin B complex to cover the board of what I might need. And it's like B6, B12 with a bunch of stuff there. But that always improves my mood. So I take a vitamin B complex, whatever they say. It's like a capsule. Really, really, really helps. I will say we eat a lot of garbage. We know, right, that binging and issues we have with eating a lot of candy and sugar, starting with Halloween, okay, through Hanukkah, and then we have Christmas, and then we have, well, I forgot about Thanksgiving. We have Thanksgiving, then we have Hanukkah, right? And so those who also celebrate Christmas, Kwanzaa, we have New Year's, and then we're into January, and we're loaded with all this sugar, which, by the way, is killing our gut health. And serotonin, the feel-good hormone, 70-80% is made in our guts. And so it's not just about taking a good probiotic. We teach that in the Sugar Freedom Method and in the Freedom Club. We teach the exact protocol. And just know that your gut health is definitely greatly affected from all the crap and the stress through the holidays, unfortunately. So if you're feeling down, consider a gut protocol, or come hit me up. Yes, that's what I do. But consider a gut protocol. Okay, we don't need to be going on anti-anxiety meds and things like that. Okay, what we're feeling is preventable and fixable. Okay, I literally specialize in not just sugar cravings and addiction, but I get anxiety down. Okay, like that. All right, it's just what I do. So if that's you, just know there's hope. And then the last piece of this is go do something fun. Oh, I said it. Something fun. We tend to get into ruts as it gets colder and darker for those living. I live in Arizona, so it definitely gets colder. It can get darker, but pretty cool where I live in Flagstaff. But for those, it gets colder and darker for a while. And we get into these ruts, right? We come home from work or we're working late hours and it's dark, and then we wake up and it's dark, and we just get into ruts. And so go take up a new sport. I'm training for a 21-mile. I really want to do it. Run with my dear ultra athlete friend in the Grand Tetons next September. And so like I'm doing something new, some hip mobility. I get on the treadmill, I'm running, and I'm like freshening things up. I never go to the movies. I'm like, let's go to the movies, kids. And so get out of your dull routine, same routine. And I promise you, your winter blues are going to change. Do you hear me? life gets monotonous. And I know without a shadow of a doubt that we'll feel better if we do these things. Why? Because I do them and I teach my clients this and they feel better. So if that's you, God bless. Thank you for being here. Try a couple of my ideas, report back. I always answer my subscribers. So thank you for being here. Feel good. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let's go. I'd love to have you be part of my community. All right. I'll talk to you soon.